So the last video, you saw me burn the sandpaper. Now, yeah, it did get a little glassy, looks like. So our mission is accomplished. We actually came up with this flamethrowing idea because, sorry, lovely Nico.
Shut up, James.
We had this kind of rocket launcher at first. We were thinking we could use those materials for that, but it epically failed and almost hit me in the eye. So,
It wasn't an epic fail.
it was an epic fail. We had no idea when it was going to go off.
It shot like 100 feet up in the air, though.
Smarty.
If you guys want to know how to make this, please leave some comments. No mean comments, though.
Well, if you do want to make this, then, yeah, what he said, make some comments, or else just try to make one on your own and be a pyromaniac like we are. Okay? So, here it is. The sandpaper. You've been warned. What are you looking at? Am I half sickly body?